Dear students, welcome to my channel Structures for Architecture. I am Meghadatta Basu. I am Masters in Civil from Delhi University in 2000. Many of you, first of all, thank you for your overwhelming response in my channel. Thank you for so many subscriptions and so many likes and so many comments personally or in the YouTube videos. So I am very much touched by your gesture that you have liked. You are liking my work, and simultaneously many of you are requesting me to take one crash course just before the GATE exam. As you know, the GATE exam is on February 20 on February 2021, so hardly there is 2 months are remaining. So many students, they are requesting me to take a online short crash course type of the structure, so that you can have some confidence, and maybe once if you communicate with me, your doubts and the other queries or other apprehensions in the mind will be get over. So keeping in mind with your request, so I have taken my time out, and I will be taking one crash course on the structures part from 21st to 26th. You can have a look at the topics which I am going to cover, though it is a very vast thing. So I would try to cover this topic from 21st to 25th, and on 26th of December I will take one online test. In that test I will include all three formats: multiple choice question, multiple select question, as well as the numerical answer type. As you know that the last two, that is the MSQ and the NAT, multiple select question, and the numerical answer type questions, they have been introduced only this year. You are going to appear in 2021. So I have included that type of question also in that test session. So after you give the test, there will be analysis of the test, and there will be doubt session, and you can also ask me doubt from whatever I have covered from 21st to 25th December. And also I will give you about the tips for the GATE part. The timing I have kept it from 7:45 p.m. to 10 p.m. So keeping in mind that the many of you are working, or many of you are students who are having the commitments throughout the day, some college work or assignment work, so I have kept the evening time so that it is convenient for all of you. To ensure that the quality of the teaching, and so that I can give attention one to one, the maximum number of students I will take only 10. I will not exceed the number, because in that case I cannot pay attention to all of you. And lectures will be conducted in the Google Meet platform. Course fee I have kept very nominal. So fee structure will be communicated to you in email once you register for the course. On the last day, as I have told, there is one test. So the highest scorer, who will score highest marks, he or she will be rewarded with the partial refund of the course fee. So please hurry up and register quickly. The link is given in the description box. In case you have any doubt, or if you want to ask me or communicate to me anything, you can write to me in professor.meghadatta@gmail.com. Please take care of the spelling of my name and the email ID. So see you soon on 21st of December. So please complete the registration form, and the rest of the thing I will communicate with you in email. Thanks.